Proper maintenance and testing has one additional benefit. If you do it properly, you will extend the lifetime of the components significantly. It's not because an electric component is 30 years old that you have to throw it away. On the contrary, these components can still be in a very good shape. If you maintain and test them properly, you can extend the lifetime significantly, thereby reducing CapEx investments. My name is Wim D'Hooghe, and I'm a subject matter expert at Megger. And Megger is specialized in test equipment for railway applications, which can be national railways, long-distance high-speed trains, metros, light rails, all type of railway systems. And both infrastructure and rolling stock is important for Megger. It is of course important to test. I've seen companies testing rolling stock very much in depth, testing all safety critical components on board of the train, detailed reports, and if the components do not fit the specifications, then they're simply recalibrated or exchanged. Also on the infrastructure side, I've seen railway operators testing their equipment regularly, but I've also seen network operators that do not test their equipment. And of course that's a very tricky situation, because when you do not do proper testing, you can have all kinds of problems. For example, you can have downtime, train standing still. If your system fails, trains will stop going. You can also jeopardize the safety of your personnel and the safety of the passengers. You can also damage your equipment. If there is some fault on the system, it will damage certain parts of your network. So it is really very important to do proper testing and proper maintenance on all your electrical components.
I am Maria Romero, Membership Manager at Unife. And we are today here at the General Assembly of Unife in Madrid, 2023, welcoming Megger as a new member. So we are very happy to have a company as Megger with such a big experience and that is dedicated to testing and that is making the railway infrastructure more efficient and safer. Thank you and welcome to Unife.
So we are very pleased to be a member now of Unife, the train and railway organization. And we are actually the first electrical test equipment manufacturer that's joining this organization. And the benefits of this is of course that we want to learn how the network operates and also to share our knowledge with this. To do test and measurement of the railway is of course really important, and it's probably nothing new, but we know by experience that the word of what we can offer is not really provided and known by everybody. So with this initiative we think we can do much better presence within this segment. And we have solutions for rolling stock, for substations, traction substations, and also cable infrastructure. By testing your network and rolling stock, you will increase safety, and also you will increase reliability, so the train operates when you want them to operate. And last but not least, it will be cost efficient because you know when to invest, not too late, not too early, to have an operating system.